Hello everyone, I will tell you in this video why your AirPod one is working and another one is not working. Just I want to tell you this reason. It's coming from your AirPods. It's because of usage of your battery. That's why reason coming from because maybe your AirPods its usage for maybe 1 year or 2 years. After this time, AirPods battery it become very low. So when you use for long time, this effect on connection between two of AirPods. For example, if you will buy these new AirPods, it will working very good without problem. But after a long time, when you use it, you found this problem. One of AirPods working, and another one is not working. Okay, in this case, how you can solve this problem? When you see here my AirPods, it's showing it's already green. It's mean this light green. My AirPods is already charging. But maybe in this case also it's not enough charging for using AirPods. How you can solve this problem when you find one is working and another one of AirPods not working? Just you need in this case to connect your box by charging like this. You see now I started to charge my AirPods now, and I will let it to charging maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes or more as you like. And when you decide to try to use your AirPods again, you'll find the two of your AirPods is working without problem. So if you had this problem anytime, just you need to connect the charging with your box and charge for some minutes, and when you try to connect again it will connect to of your AirPods without problem. And this problem, as I told you, it's coming because the battery it's become low because of usage time. So just you need to charging the battery some minutes and it will come working to of your AirPods again without a problem.